You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add y to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 8 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the y into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals -2.